Since the BMW X7 debuted in 2019 as a prestigious luxury SUV, it has been a leading option among luxury-driven auto shoppers in Greenwich and beyond. The 2025 BMW X7 continues to be a first-generation vehicle, introducing a bold improvement for you to explore and take advantage of. The 3-row X7 continues to come with the driving assistance package. This optional package allows drivers to travel hands-free down the road as fast as 85 miles per hour. It now comes with a lane change function that is activated visually. Look at the side mirror corresponding to the lane you want to move into. This is an upgrade from last year's lane change function that required you to use the turning signal. This impressive update builds on the appeal of last year's X7. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW X7 is unchanged and continues to have a brilliant look. It has the tall, subtly angled profile and modestly crisp angled side contouring that its predecessor has. The grille is relatively short and slender, adding sharper corners to the traditional BMW kidney-style grille design. The dramatic headlights are comprised of slender, segmented LED bars. Below the headlights, the large two-sided air vents make a dramatic statement. The bumper has a machined design. The two powertrains offered in the 2024 X7 are unchanged for the 2025 model year. The lower trims have a turbo 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine producing 375 horsepower. The advanced powertrain is a 4.4-liter turbo V8 engine that offers 523 horsepower. These systems are both designed with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed auto transmission. With the exception of the updated driving assistance package, the 2024 and 2025 model years are comparably equipped. Some of the features offered in the X7 are remote vehicle monitoring, a 14.9-inch central infotainment screen, heated seats and armrests, a heated steering wheel, a navigation system, a head-up display, a panoramic sunroof, a 4-zone auto climate control system, wireless Apple CarPlay with Android Auto, wireless device charging, soft closed doors, gesture control, powered sunshades, a surround view camera, an automated parking system, massaging seats in the front row, and more.